we are going to write a program to print a message. Okay, we are adding only one statement as the body of the function. Okay, so how? Just tell me. Yeah, it's starting with the keyword def. Okay, sure. It's starting with def. Then function name. We can have a function name fun1. Okay. Then we know we should add parenthesis. Okay. And this program does not take any parameters, so we can have empty parenthesis. Then it's ending with colon. And this statement is called function header. Okay. Then we are adding the statement what print. We are printing what? Welcome to functions in Python. Okay, that's our text to be printed. Welcome to functions in Python. Okay, that is the text to be printed. So this is all about a function definition part. As we have already said, we have one more component, that is function calling. It is very simple. How we are calling a function? Yeah, just naming the function, just by giving the name of the function. And here what is the name? Fun1. So fun1, this is the function calling. Okay, this is the function definition and this is the function calling. Okay, these are the components. Okay, first always we are defining the function, then only we can call the function. Okay, so these are the two components of a function and we can see how it works. Okay, first we are defining the function using the keyword def, followed by function name. Here the function name is fun1, then parenthesis, then closing. We don't have any parameters here in the function. Okay, then we have only one statement here in the function fun1, and this is the body of the function. Okay, print welcome to functions in Python. That is the text to be printed. Okay, and after defining the function, we have added the function calling statement. Okay, that is fun1. Okay, yeah. How does it work? It's very simple. At the time of calling the function, control passes to the definition part. Like when we call someone, the control passes from ourselves to that person, and everything will be executed. After completing the execution, control returns to ourselves. Very simple. Okay, so at the time of calling, control passes to the definition part and welcome to functions in Python will be printed. Okay, then after, okay, we have only one statement. After executing this statement, control returns to fun1. Okay, this is an example for void function. Because what is a void function? What is the term meaning of void? Void means null, nothing. Okay, void function is a type of function which does not return any value. Okay, here we can say fun1 does not return any value because it's very simple. We don't have any return statement. Okay, here we don't have any return statement, so we can call it as void function. That means we can return, we can have return. And the specialty of Python language is, in C++ we can return, or the function can return only one value. Okay, but Python supports returning multiple values. That's the flexibility of Python programming language. You know, Python is that flexible. Okay, so we have only one statement and which will be executed at the time of calling. Okay, then we can see what def is in this level, and the print or the body should be added after the tab space. That's called indentation. Okay, why indentation is important? Because we don't have any other mechanism to indicate or to represent that this statement belongs to this function. Okay, we are coming to it. Okay, next program or second implementation, we can have two statements. Okay, how the concept is somewhat very simple. Okay, welcome to functions in Python, and we can print we are enjoying. We are enjoying what we are doing. Okay, yeah. Then we can call the function fun1. Okay, what is the difference between the first and this? Only one difference. Here, there in the first we had only one statement, but here we have two statements. Okay, that's the only difference. So how will it be executed? Very simple. We are calling the function using the function name fun1 parenthesis. At the time control passes to the function definition part. Welcome to function in Python will be printed first. After that it prints what we are enjoying. Okay. So this is what a function is. And you can see the second print is also added after a tab space. Okay. So this way we can define functions. Hope it's clear for you. Okay. And we can have a revision on what defining functions. Okay. Yeah. How we are defining a function? We are defining a function using the keyword. The syntax is def function name in parenthesis parameter list. It's ending with colon, and that statement is called function header. Okay. Then in triple quotes docstring. Then after tab we are adding what docstring and statement. Everything. Okay. Everything is after a tab space for indenting. Okay. Then statement or statements. Okay. Def is a keyword or a statement to what define a function. Then function name should follow what usual normal naming rules of identifiers. Then we can have parameters or arguments. Then it's ending with colon. Okay. Then docstring to tell something about what the program does. Then statement or statements. Okay. We can have single statement or multiple statements. Okay. Then second component is function calling. At first we are defining the function, and function calling is what are adding only after that. Okay. Yeah. Then void function. It's a type of function, and void function is the type of function that does not return anything. Returning means it is very simple. Adding the keyword return, using the keyword return. Here in both the examples we don't have any return, the keyword return. So these are examples for void function. Okay. Then we can look at our last topic, significance of indentation or importance of indentation. Okay. This function works very smoothly because we have indented the statements properly. Okay. Yeah. We can change it to another format. Suppose we are adding print here. Okay. We are adding hi. Okay. Then we are calling the function using the function name. Is there any problem with the statement? Yes. It's a wrong function because print is not indented. Okay. Then why indentation is that important in Python? Unlike C++, Python does not have any explicit mechanism to mark the beginning and the end. Okay. It means in C++ we have curly braces. Opening curly brace and closing curly brace. Opening curly brace marks the beginning of the function and closing marks the end of the function. Here this is the beginning and this is the end. Okay. We can't see any symbol. So here in Python we don't have explicit mechanism to indicate the beginning and end of the function. So the only way to tell the interpreter that statement or statements, that is what body is, belong to the function using indentation. Okay. Indentation is a part of syntax. It must be followed very strictly, then only it will be getting executed successfully. Otherwise this results in error, indentation error. Okay. Yeah. So the correct statement is, it should be added what? Print hi. Okay. After a tab space. Okay. Now it's a correct statement. Okay. We can have another example. Suppose we are adding 2. Okay. First statement is we are printing hi, and second is welcome. Okay. We have two statements here in front. One, print hi, that's the first statement, and second statement is print welcome. Is there any problem? Yes. It of course results in error because the second statement is not following indentation. Okay. It also must follow indentation. Very simple. That is, it should be added after a tab space. Okay. Now it is okay. Okay, and we are calling the function fun1. Okay, so how will it execute? Yeah, at the time of calling, control to this function and hi will be executed. After that, welcome will be executed, meaning hi welcome will be printed. Okay, then can it make a call to the function fun1 one more time? Sure, that is what reusability is. Okay, just try adding fun1 again. Here we have two fun1 calling statements, fun1 fun1. How will it execute? Just think of it. It's very simple. Yeah, for the first function calling, hi welcome will be printed, and for the second function calling, hi welcome will be printed again. Okay, meaning hi welcome will be printed twice because we have added it 2 times. And you can see the difference. We have defined the function only once, single time, but we have called the function 2 times. That is what reusability is. Okay, this is just like this whiteboard. Okay, as we have already stated, this is our whiteboard. We are defining it only one time, and this is myself. I am calling this for computer science class. This is your maths teacher. She's calling it for taking mathematics class. Okay, meaning we can call the function any number of times. That is how we are ensuring reusability. Okay, this is the method to implement reusability. This is the way we can implement reusability, one of the main features of functions in any programming language. Okay, yeah, and we can see a variation. Okay, fun1, then we are adding print doing good. Okay, again we are calling fun1. How will it be executed? Here also we have 2 function calling statements, but in between we have one print function. Okay, yeah, let's try. Fun1 calls a function fun1 and hi welcome will be printed. After that, control returns to fun1 or to the next statement, that is print doing good. So doing good will be printed. Okay, after that we are calling fun1 for the second time. Okay, it calls a function and hi welcome will be printed again. The difference is, okay, the output will be hi welcome, then it prints doing good, because we have print statement in between fun1. Okay, fun1 calling statements. Okay, so the result is hi welcome, then doing good, again hi welcome. Okay, doing good will be displayed in between hi welcome statements. Okay, so this way we can define functions, and that is what significance of indentation is, or importance of indentation is. Okay, so this is all about today's. We can have a revision on what significance of indentation. Indentation means spacing, simply spacing, and intending okay, we are adding tab space. We know tab consists of 4 spaces. Okay, so every statement should be added after a tab space. Okay, that is how we can ensure indentation or spacing. In Python, indentation is very important because it's a part of syntax. Okay, because here in Python we don't have any explicit mechanism to indicate beginning and end of a function. We can't see anything for starting and ending. Okay, so indentation is the only method to indicate, to show off what statements belong to, or statement or statements belong to the function or body of the function. Okay, so that is what indentation is. Then we can call a function any number of times. That is how we are ensuring reusability. Okay, then we can add statement or statements in between function calling statements, and result changes as we have seen. Okay, so this is all about today's topic, functions. We have initially we have seen what a function is, then why functions, because it offers reusability and readability. Then defining functions, we have seen the syntax and 2 examples. Then void function that does not return any value. Then significance of indentation. Indentation means spacing. In Python, indentation is very important. Okay. And we know function is one of the core topics in any programming language. Okay. There is a programming concept named function oriented approach. Okay. And it is a building block of any program. Okay. So function is very important as a student and also as a programmer. Okay. So we just go through it very thoroughly, and you may have doubts. Okay. You can ask it in the interaction session. Plus you just try solving some more examples. Okay. So this is all about all for today, all about function, and we can see in the next class. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.